The bulk of rich people have one characteristic: they have several sources of income. However, this does not indicate that people work many jobs. On the contrary, they are masters of so-called passive income. In other words, they always generate money, even when they are sleeping. Passive income allows you to free up time for more fulfilling duties or to enjoy life and the things you enjoy. It represents physical independence and financial stability. If you want to have several sources of income by earning passive money, watch this video, which outlines the top 10 strategies to create passive income. This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now. Here are some of the top ideas for passive income. 1. Start and monetize your blog. You may supplement your income by launching a blog. This is a common way to make money online. If you do it correctly, you will almost certainly be able to make ends meet and cover your costs for the month. Before starting a blog, bear in mind that blogging is, above all, a passion. You must be willing to share your expertise with others in order to flourish in this field. You should also select a location that makes you feel at ease. For example, if you enjoy cooking, you may start a blog to introduce your audience to new and simple recipes. 2. Create a YouTube channel. This is similar to starting a blog. When it comes to YouTube, starting a channel is completely free. To generate material that would appeal to your users, you will need to supply high-quality equipment such as a video camera, tripod, microphone, and so on. Your theme must also be carefully chosen in this case. You may use your YouTube channel to supplement your blog if you already have one. Your readers will be delighted that you provide them with a variety of content to enhance their experience. This allows blog readers to have embedded videos, and YouTube subscribers to have textual support with your blog sources. They'll bond with you over time, and you'll have created a community dedicated to your cause. The majority of your passive revenue will come from your paid items, sponsored posts, and advertising. 3. Develop an online training program. Passive revenue can also be generated by offering online courses. If your training is well developed, you may be able to sell it in the long run, as long as the topic addressed is relevant. It is possible to sell it as an electronic file on your website. If you don't have a website, you may still provide training through specialized platforms. To be marketable, the courses you develop must fit current demands and be useful. 4. Market digital products. Aside from online courses, there are several digital things that you may offer on the internet to make money: ebooks, books, templates, and so on. You can build an ebook to address a specific issue raised by your visitors or to provide practical advice in a certain area. Internet users also like comic books, downloadable novels, and audiobooks. The selling of generated digital items can be done through your website or a dedicated platform. 5. Affiliate promotion. Affiliate marketing connects you with an advertiser that wants to boost their company's visibility and acquire new clients. This will usually include promotional materials such as a banner and an emailing kit, which you will use to market it through your different communication channels. When you successfully bring him or her a new client, you will be paid a commission based on the price of the sale. You may get into agreements with numerous firms to enhance your profits and benefit from a comfortable and consistent passive income. 6. Rental investing. Rental investing is a great way to make money automatically over time. It entails purchasing a property, such as a house or shopping center, for the aim of renting it out. After you've made the initial investment, you'll just have to collect rent on a monthly or annual basis. You will have regained your investment amount after a few years. This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now. 7. Create a dropshipping e-commerce site. Dropshipping is a sales technique in which 3 parties are involved: the seller, the buyer, and the distributor, also known as the dropshipper. The latter is in charge of promoting the supplier's products but is not in charge of delivery or inventory management. Dropshipping requires only an online store to exhibit the items offered from your partners. When a consumer puts an order, all you have to do is submit their information to the vendor, who will handle the delivery. Finally, you get the commission on each sale. 8. Make money by purchasing and reselling domain names. If you know how to do it, reselling domain names for profit may be a lucrative source of recurring passive income. You don't even need a website to do this. All you have to do is grow your domain name portfolio. Names with strong market potential that sell rapidly and at reasonable costs are ideal. 9. Using Etsy to sell printables. If you have artistic abilities and are seeking for a successful company that will provide you with passive income, the world of printables is accessible to you. Many internet users are interested in unique craft projects. You may sell printable photos created by you on the Etsy site. It will not cost you much to open an Etsy shop. On the contrary, you will profit from a vast buyer community to sell your items globally. 10. Create a mobile app. It is feasible to earn money while sleeping if you can innovate by developing a mobile application. You can begin working on this project if you are a developer. Internet consumers will undoubtedly be interested in programs that provide novel ideas and tend to improve their daily lives. You can, for example, upload an entertainment application or a game. If you are not a developer, you may still earn money by hiring one if you can afford it. If you like this video, subscribe to Video Connect TV, and when you subscribe, click on the bell button, so that you will be notified when we upload new videos on different ways you can take your business to the next level and make extra income online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.